MaraEMI.com is proud to present Introduction to Financial Literacy. Chapter 5. Borrowing from Banks. Part 1. Why take a loan from a bank, when informal sources like money lenders are readily available in the village? Bank is a better source of finance than money lenders and other informal sources, even if at times it may take little longer to borrow from them. It is a safe, reliable, transparent institution which can help us by lending money on suitable terms. Banks are regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Best thing is that banks charge lesser interest than informal sources, viz., relatives, friends, moneylenders, Vishy, Mukia, etc. Besides, banks create full documentation of the loan before disbursing loan amount. Banks are transparent and charge less interest. Why banks may at times take little longer time in giving loans as compared to money lenders. The banks collect deposits from public and lend this depositors' money as loans to the people who need it. In order to protect the depositors' money, they are expected to ensure the proper utilization of the money by the borrower. Hence, banks undertake detailed scrutiny of the loan proposals before sanctioning the loans. Though it may take a longer time, the benefit to the borrowers is that they cannot be cheated, since everything is documented. It is actually in the interest of the depositors, as well as the borrowers. What are the types of loans offered by the banks? Banks give loans for various purposes like housing, education, agriculture and related activities, starting a business enterprises, consumption loans, etc. Thus banks meet all types of loan requirements. How can I get a loan from a bank? We have to submit a loan application to the bank indicating the purpose. The bank will verify the details, evaluate our repaying capacity, and then sanction us the loan, which we will have to repay, along with the interest and installments, as indicated by the bank. What is the cost of borrowing from banks? The interest charged on the money borrowed is the cost of borrowing. Banks normally notify the interest rate per year. Unlike other informal sources, who do not tell us the real cost of borrowing, the interest rates and other charges levied by banks for various purposes are displayed to the public, and it is uniform for all customers or purposes. Banks publicly declare how much they charge, and they charge uniformly to similar customers for similar purposes, again unlike other sources. We hope you enjoyed listening in and do subscribe to our channel for regular updates. We'd like to thank RBI for sharing its resources to enhance our knowledge center. Next. Chapter 5. Borrowing from Banks, Part 2.